But the country is battling the second wave of COVID-19 infections, and increasingly we are hearing reports of oxygen being in short supply. The government has taken cognizance of this issue. There are a lot of patients whose lungs are affected because of the virus, because of COVID-19, who may require oxygen. And it is, of course, a medical emergency, a national emergency that we are seeing at this point in time. So there are a lot of industries which also require oxygen in their production process. And also there are a lot of industries which will be using oxygen as a component. So now a lot of these industries, the government has said, will be banned from using oxygen for industrial use. Considering the current situation and the rising number of cases, we are touching new highs every day in the daily new cases numbers that we are getting in. So the government has banned quite a few industries from using oxygen for industrial use. Now, at the same time, the government has said that their plan is to import 50,000 metric tons of oxygen to meet the requirements within the country. The current production capacity, the daily oxygen production capacity of the country is at 7,287 metric tons. Now, on the other hand, while the government is looking to import, and while the countries struggling with the number of cases, there are a lot of companies which have come forth and they have got in touch with state governments, they've gotten in touch with the center, and they are also trying to help in the respective areas. And a lot of these are steel companies. Remember, steel is one of the sectors which is exempt from not using oxygen in production as per what the government has put out. So they can continue to use oxygen, but the top steel companies, all the top steel companies in fact, have come forward and said that they will be not using oxygen in their production. They will be trying to balance it out. They will also help states and they will supply oxygen. So let's take a look at what these companies have said. Of course, we have heard of reports of Reliance Industries supplying 100 tons of oxygen to Maharashtra government via their Jamnagar facilities. In terms of the steel companies, the largest steel producer in the country, JSW Steel, has said that they are supplying 185 tons per day, and they are increasing the supply further as days pass. So they are looking to increase the supply of oxygen for medical use further. Tata Steel has said that they are supplying 200 to 300 tons of liquid medical oxygen daily to state governments, considering that it is an important component in the fight against COVID-19. SAIL has said that they are also supplying, they have already supplied, in fact, 33,300 tons of liquid medical oxygen, which is of 99.7% purity, from their integrated steel plants in Bokaro in Jharkhand, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela in Odisha, Durgapur and Burnpur in West Bengal. So through these plants, all these companies are going forward and supplying oxygen to states. Now, further, in fact, even ACC has come forth and said that they are also supplying oxygen. They are also helping in the fight against COVID-19 by, through the Jamul plant in Durg district in Chhattisgarh, they will be supplying 17 oxygen concentrator machines. They will be making 150 jumbo oxygen cylinders available, and all this will be for emergency use in Durg. Another steel company, JSPL, has said that they are supplying 50 to 100 tons of oxygen to hospitals in Chhattisgarh and Odisha daily. And they're saying that they can compromise on steel production to supply oxygen to the government because of the fight that we are seeing against COVID-19. So, at this point, the country is managing to get oxygen from the daily production capacity that they get. They have also banned industrial use. At the same time, companies which are also exempt from the ban on industrial usage are coming forth and giving the oxygen supply to hospitals. Of course, we still have a long way to go. The requirement is much higher, so the government will be taking further steps on that in the next few days.